Hey guys, welcome to the Flavorful Road. Today I'll be making oatmeal, raisin, and apricot cookies. Oh, you're going to love these things, guys. So what do you say we head over to the kitchen and whip up something good? Okay, so in the bowl we've got some butter ready. Into the butter we're going to add some brown sugar. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to add some eggs, vanilla, and milk into the bowl. Now we're going to mix it up a little. Next we're going to add some baking soda and flour. And we're going to add it very gradually as we go along. We had to stop for a moment and had to stir it up a little bit by hand because it gets to a point where you can't mix it very well. So now we're mixing it a little bit by hand. Now that the dough's mixed, we're going to add some cinnamon. Now that our cinnamon's mixed, we're going to add some oats. And get them in there until they're well, nice and incorporated. And now for the final step, we're going to add the fruit. In go some raisins, and then the apricots. And now we're going to mix them all together until they're mixed into the mix as well. Boy, that sounded really bad, didn't it? Mixed into the mix. And now that we've mixed into the mix, we're going to mix some more. And we're going to keep mixing, and then stop. Now we're going to load up the tray with the dough. And now that the tray is loaded up, we're going to put these in the oven and see how we did. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. Dun, dun, dun! Don't they look good? Don't they though? I think I'm going to get one right now. They look as good as they taste. Rich and buttery. Crispy. You're gonna love these things, guys. You're gonna love them.